Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast. I'm your host, and today we're learning about the beach, all the things you see, touch, and use, from sand, waves, sea, and sun, to towels, umbrellas, snorkels, and beach toys. Through a very long, natural conversation, you will learn 50 essential beach vocabulary so you can speak, listen, and enjoy beach vocabulary confidently. Grab your notebook and let's go to the beach together. 50 vocabulary words. 1. Beach. I love walking on the beach. 2. Sand. The sand is warm. 3. Sea. The sea is very blue. 4. Ocean. The ocean is deep and wide. 5. Waves. The waves are big today. 6. Shore. We walked along the shore. 7. Sun. The sun is shining brightly. 8. Sunshine. I love the warm sunshine. 9. Sunglasses. I wear sunglasses at the beach. 10. Hat. I put on a hat to protect my head. 11. Towel. Sit on a towel on the sand. 12. Beach umbrella. We need a beach umbrella for shade. 13. Swimsuit. I wear a swimsuit to swim. 14. Swimming. Swimming in the ocean is fun. 15. Snorkel. I use a snorkel to see fish underwater. 16. Flippers. Flippers help you swim faster. 17. Beach ball. We play with a beach ball. 18. Sandcastle. Kids build a sandcastle. 19. Seashell. Collect seashells on the beach. 20. Driftwood. The waves bring driftwood to shore. 21. Jet ski. We rent a jet ski. 22. Surfboard. I ride the waves with a surfboard. 23. Lifeguard. The lifeguard watches the swimmers. 24. Beach chair. Relax in a beach chair. 25. Cooler. Put drinks in the cooler. 26. Ice cream. Eat ice cream to stay cool. 27. Snacks. Bring snacks for the beach. 28. Picnic. We have a picnic by the shore. 29. Tide. The tide comes in and out. 30. Seagull. Seagulls fly above the beach. 31. Beach bag. Put your towel in the beach bag. 32. Sand toys. Kids play with sand toys. 33. Beach mat. Sit on the beach mat. 34. Beach umbrella stand. Fix the umbrella in the stand. 35. Float. Use a float in the water. 36. Beach house. The beach house is near the shore. 37. Sunblock. Apply sunblock to avoid sunburn. 38. Sunscreen. Use sunscreen before swimming. 39. Beach towel clips. Secure your towel with clips. 40. Beach bag strap. Carry the beach bag with the strap. 41. Sand pail. Kids fill the sand pail with sand. 42. Bucket. Bring a bucket to build a sandcastle. 43. Shovel. Use a shovel to dig sand. 44. Beach party. We have a beach party tonight. 45. Lounge chair. Relax on a lounge chair. 46. Frisbee. Throw the frisbee on the sand. 47. Volleyball. Play volleyball with friends. 48. Snacks cooler. Keep food in the snacks cooler. 49. Umbrella sand anchor. Secure the umbrella with a sand anchor. 50. Water bottle. Bring a water bottle to stay hydrated. Hi, Mark. Look at the beach today. The sand is soft and the sunshine is beautiful.
Wow, the waves are big. Let's walk along the shore.
Good idea. Don't forget your sunglasses and hat. I put my towel and beach umbrella over there.
I'm wearing my swimsuit. Let's go swimming first. Do you want to use a snorkel and flippers?
Yes, and after swimming, we can play with the beach ball and make a sandcastle.
Great. I see seashells and some driftwood on the sand.
Look, some people are riding jet skis and surfing with surfboards.
Let's relax for a while on the beach chairs. I put our drinks in the cooler.
I brought ice cream and snacks for a picnic. Don't forget the tide, it's coming in.
Watch the seagulls. They want our food.
Haha, yes. I put everything in my beach bag. Kids are playing with sand toys, sand pail, bucket, and shovel.
I applied sunblock and sunscreen. Safety first.
Good. Use the beach umbrella stand and umbrella sand anchor to keep the umbrella in place.
Let's take a float in the water. Later, we can relax on the lounge chair, throw the frisbee, and play volleyball.
Don't forget the beach mat, beach towel clips, and water bottle. It's important to stay comfortable and hydrated.
This is the perfect beach day.
Absolutely. We have everything: sun, sand, sea, and fun. Thank you for listening to the Easy English USA podcast. I hope you enjoyed learning beach vocabulary and hearing how to use these words in real conversations. If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, practice every day and your English will improve quickly. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy the sun, sand, and sea.